The 20th century was the Atlantic century because US and Europe were ruling the world. The 21st century is actually the Pacific century, where China and Asia are going to be ruling the world. So you need to come over to know more about how to make business in China, how to interact with people in China, how to negotiate in China.
China is a great place to be and to study nowadays because of its fascinating development that was never seen. You know, what took other countries many decades, in China you see it on an everyday basis.
Learning by doing things is many times more relevant than just getting in touch with a theory that then has to be experienced in the real workplace.
So what we try to do is to fill the main gaps that people have, and for people with a background in business or a technical background, engineers, architects, we try to give the China knowledge that is a very important part of the equation. And on the opposite, to people who mainly did Asian studies or Chinese studies, what we try to do is to give knowledge about business, about finance, about strategy, about marketing, about law, and therefore to really give a comprehensive set of skills that these people can use from the day the program finishes and they get into the real world.